In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very quick tutorial on how to type degree symbol with keyboard shortcut key only here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, first of all, you need to proceed to the notepad. Okay, so by that, all you need to do first is you need to type any of the jump numbers here. Okay, so let me just adjust the size first so that you can see it clearly. Okay. So at the physical keyboard or at the built-in keyboard that you have, you would be able to see two number keys there. A number keys that is being placed at the upper center or that upper side, sorry, upper side rather, and a number keys that is being placed here at the right side. Okay, so this one. Okay, so basically you'd be able to see your keyboard like this, and there you can see a number keys, as what I have said earlier, that is being placed here at the upper side, and a number keys that is being placed here at the right side. Again, don't use the on-screen keyboard because I'm just telling you what exactly keys that you are going to press on. So the number keys that we are going to use is not this one, but this one. So we need to use the number keys that is being placed here at the right side instead of the upper side. And all you need to do is you need to press Alt key and then press and hold it and then press 0176 in your keyboard. In that way, you'll be able to type a degree symbol here in your Windows 11. Okay, so let's try. Again, press Alt key, then use the number keys that is being placed at the right side, not the upper side. Alt key 0176 and release it. In that way, you'd be able to type a degree symbol here using a keyboard shortcut key. Again, it is Alt, then day 0176. So let's try again. Okay. Alt key, press and hold it, then 0176, then release that. In that way, you'll be able to type a degree symbol here in your Windows 11. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.